In this video I'll show you guys how to stop people from sharing your posts on Facebook. This should work on both iOS and Android. So if you want to stop people from sharing your posts on Facebook, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser, search for Facebook, right here. Click on the top right corner, those three stripes. Scroll all the way down till you see settings. Click on the settings. Scroll down. Here you see stories. Click on the story settings. Click on allow others to share your public stories to their own story. Click on only me and click on cancel, and that should be it. So if this helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.